Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? The first of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Tahtir Manda from English Education Department from STKP Syekh Mansur. And today we gonna talk about the environment in Indonesia. Environment issue has increasingly become the public awareness. This is evidenced by the increased number of published discussion about this. And countries are also increasingly active in making agreement and regulation between countries to overcome various exciting problems. However, what are the environmental problems that we face today? Environmental problem and their issue the following are environmental problem in Indonesia and the world and their cause if solution to this environmental problem are not found, then the sustainability of human life on earth will be worrying. This is because nature is search of fulfilling all the needs of human life, namely providing air, water, food, medicine, aesthetic, and so on. Damage to nature means the same as the carrying capacity of human life. The environmental problem and their cause that we are currently facing in full are as follow. The first is pollution. The first environment problem is pollution or environmental population. Pollu- Pollution of air, water, and soil takes millions of years to turn to normal. The industrial sector and motor vehicle fumes are the main source of pollution. Heavy metal, nitrates, and toxic plastics are responsible for a variety of existing pollutants, while water pollution is caused by oil spill, acid rain, urban runoff. On the other hand, air, air pollution is caused by various gases and toxins released by industries and factories as well as residues from burning fossil fuels. Soil pollution is mainly caused by industrial waste which destroy nutrients in the soil that are important for plants. The next is climate change. Climate change or global warming. Global warming as climate change is the result of human practices such as emission of greenhouse gas. Global warming causes the temperature of the ocean and the earth surface increase, causing the melting of polar ice cap and rising sea levels. It also alters natural patterns of season and rainfall such as flash floods. Exercise now or desertification as a result of these weather changes, agricultural products often experience crop failures and increase the change of forest fires due to the prolonged dry season. The next is population. Overpopulation. The planet population is reaching unsustainable level as it faces a shortage of resources such as water, fuel, and food. Population explosion in developed and developing countries that continues to cause resource scarcity. Intensive agriculture, which aim to increase food production by using pesticides, actually creates new problem. The demand is in form of decreased soil quality and human health. And the next is natural resource depletion. The use of fossil fuels such as petroleum, is responsible for creating global warming and climate change. Globally, many parties are starting to switch to using renewable resources such as solar electricity, biogas, solar cars, which are implemented by developed countries. Also, in the short terms, the installation of this environmentally friendly technology facility will look quite expensive, but in the long term, it will be very cheap compared to the use of fossil and non-renewable energy. And the next is waste disposal. The next environmental problem is waste disposal. This is especially plastic waste and urban waste, such as in the Ciliwung River in the Jakarta or cities in Indonesia. In addition to household waste, waste from the industrial sector, which is often dumped into rivers, also cause fish to die and destroy river ecosystem. In fact, these rivers are important for the community economy and are important for supplying food search for the community. Disposal of this waste will eventually cause marine pollution in Indonesia and damage marine ecosystem. A source of fisheries no less important is the disposal of nuclear waste. Disposal of nuclear waste poses a tremendous health hazard, particularly from radiation, plastic, waste food, packaging, and cheap waste threaten human well-being. Disposal of waste is one of the environmental problems that urgently needs a solution. The next is deforestation atau penggundulan hutan. An environmental issue that is no less important is deforestation. Clearing of forests for the development of the plantation sector, especially palm oil, cause the release of carbon into the earth thereby increase change in the earth's temperature. Forests, which actually play a role in absorbing toxic carbon dioxide from pollution, then converting into oxygen, helping to create rain, become a habitat for various types of animals that are important for support human life, are destroyed to be replaced by monoculture plant, whereas monoculture plant will not be able to play a role like forests in supporting the fulfillment of human needs. And the last is depletion of the ozone layer. The ozone layer is an invisible protective layer that covers planet Earth, protecting us from harmful radiation from the sun. The depletion of the ozone layer is true to be caused by pollution caused by the chlorine and bromide gas found in its chlorofluorocarbons or CFC. Once the toxic gas reach upper atmosphere, that causes a hole in the ozone layer, the largest of which is over Antarctica. CFC are now banned in many industrial and consumer products. The ozone layer is important from human because it is prevent harmful ultraviolet or or familiar or famous now is UV radiation from reaching the earth. This must be a concern. And in conclusion, all environmental problems that occur in Indonesia occur as a result of our own action as citizen Indonesian. So we have to try to keep our environmental way. I think enough. That's all for me. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.